Great stock market tips from the pros. Investing in the stock market is becoming more popular than ever, particularly in this economy, as people are trying to seek out bargains in order to fill out a long-term plan. If you want to get involved in the stock market, this is the perfect time. Continue watching for some great investing tips that will help. Cultivating the discipline and focus to invest money regularly is a lot easier if you have defined your investment goals. Establish separate accounts for specific goals like college savings and retirement so you can tailor your choice of investment vehicles accordingly. Your state's 529 plan might be a great option for educational investments. An aggressive stock portfolio could be advantageous for a young person with retirement decades away, but a middle-aged person would want to consider less volatile options like bonds or certificates of deposit for at least a portion of retirement savings. Companies with wildly popular goods or services that seem to gain visibility overnight should normally be avoided. Instead, wait to see if the business does well in the long term, or it could easily lose its value as quickly as it found it. You might want to stick to reliable products instead of fads when choosing stocks. Many people who invest in stocks make the mistake of relying too strongly on past performance when deciding which stocks to purchase. While prior performance is a very good indicator of how a stock will perform in the future, you should make certain to investigate what the future plans of the company are. It is important to consider how they plan to increase revenue and profits, along with what they plan to do to overcome the challenges that they currently face. Follow through with the tips in this video, and you will be able to be more confident about your investments. Get involved in the stock market today, and you will be able to build a portfolio that will serve you well over time. Take care with your investment decisions and you will find success. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.